Pompeii. There once was a Roman city, and it was called Pompeii. Disaster struck it in the year 79 Anno Domine. Nearby there was a mountain, and just in case you're curious, I'll tell you the mountain's name. It was called Mount Vesuvius. Except it wasn't a mountain, it was really a volcano, a fact which the Pompeiians sadly did not know. One August night it spewed out fire, lava, rocks, volcanic. The Pompeiians were all afraid and ran about in panic. The city was destroyed that night with heat and bangs and crashes, and buried under hundreds of tons of volcanic ashes. Pompeii lay lost and forgotten for hundreds and hundreds of years, until the 1800s when it was found by engineers. They dug the ruins out, and now it's a tourist attraction today. Every year millions visit ancient Pompeii.